There are many home water systems on the market today which can make it very confusing to the consumer. In some cases, the local tap water can be a great option. It all depends on where you live and where you are sourcing the water from. Water filtration is also a great option because it can remove many impurities. Unfortunately, with that, you can lose essential electrolytes and minerals that the body wants and needs. One thing you can look at when choosing a filtration system is the pore size. The smaller the pore size, the smaller the contaminants that are taken out. Look on the label for the NSF rating. This will allow you to find out just what the filter removes and protects you from. It is also good to know why you want to treat your water. This will help in determining what method is best suited for you. For example, many home refrigerator filters are primarily there just to make the water taste better. The primary concern is not to remove harmful particles or toxins. This is where a whole house filter can come into use. These are larger scale and can remove many more impurities that are in the water. Some even allow you to add back in essential minerals and nutrients after the filtration process. Here is a few of the top forms of filtration. Mechanical filters tend to be a pre-filtration technique. Water is pushed through the mesh and the particles are physically trapped and can't flow through. Ion exchange is your typical water softener. It exchanges one ion such as calcium with another ion, usually sodium. This makes the water softer. Activated carbon works through absorption. Particles are literally soaked up and won't pass through. This form of filtration removes many different forms of toxins and bacteria. Ultraviolet filters use different frequencies of light to filter the water. This environmentally friendly form of filter is primarily used for eliminating viruses and bacteria. Reverse osmosis is another option that can be used and might be the most efficient of the types we have talked about. It works by pushing pressurized water through a membrane. Contaminants are trapped on one side and clean water comes out the other. Other factors you need to consider are price, value, and space availability. Take your time when choosing your water source. It is life-changing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video: drinking water purification and the atmospheric water generator.